So first we need to make sure that you have OpenPlanet installed, and then you can hit F3, go to your plugin manager, search for raw vehicle. You should get record raw vehicle data, and just a disclaimer, I didn't make this. It's just something I thought was pretty cool and I could do something with this. Go ahead and install it. Once that's installed, you'll notice you get this button up here, but you can just hit F9 to start recording data. And you can just make a replay. So when you're happy with your replay, just either hit F9 again or hit the button. It'll save. And I'll tell you where it goes here. It should be in your OpenPlanet, plugin storage, raw vehicle data, and you should get this CSV file here. I recommend renaming it to something memorable like vehicle data. Go ahead and open that. Now what you're going to want to do is find anything that's not a space or a comma, and then replace it with just a space and comma. Replace all. Oh, I forgot about the bracket. Replace it with nothing. Finally. Okay. So we got comma space, comma space, comma space, comma space, comma space. I think that's everything. Now you can save it. And you're going to want to place it next to the blend file that you'll be using. There it is. So I'll be using tutorial.blend. Just make sure these two files are next to each other. And then you can open up Blender, make a new empty. Make it big just so you can see it, because it's going to be very far away. And another thing that will help is changing your view clipping distance to like, I don't know, 10,000, just because it'll go very far away. And if you have your clipping distance up this high, you'll get like rounding errors. So just bring up the clip start a little bit, and the rounding errors will start to go away. So now we can import the Python script. See, I have this over here. Make it a new file. Paste that in there. And then change this to whatever you named your CSV file. So in my case, it was vehicledata.csv. Oops. And then just make sure that when you run the script that it's highlighted. And this might take a while if your replay file is huge. So now if we go to, let's just open a new window, timeline, you'll see that this object has all these keyframes. Bring the timeline all the way to the end. You'll see it'll move just like the car in the game. So to parent it to the car, sometimes this will have a funny orientation, so just make sure that it stays that orientation when it goes, because sometimes it'll flip funny before it starts. So I'll just make a quick little car here. And now we can snap it to the empty. And parent it to the empty. There we go.